Okay guys, in the future video we'll make a side-by-side comparison with the Street Fighter that has the 4x4 exhaust. On this one we did the Aero titanium slip-on exhaust and just a bunch of little upgrades like the Rizoma mirrors and turn signals, and did a bunch of carbon fiber stuff. We ditched most of the hardware and replaced it all with titanium hardware. There is more stuff coming, like the rear wheel and stuff, and I'll keep you updated on, but from what I see on the Aero exhaust, that's for now it seems like to be a lot quieter than the Termi exhaust, the 4-USET exhaust that we did on the Street Fighter. Just uploaded the custom tune on this and programmed it, just to give you a quick rundown roughly of what it sounds like. Basically that was the cold fire up. There will be more to follow on this.